2022 Toyota Corolla with less than 56,000 miles on the odometer. This sedan combines safety and comfort with style and performance. You'll also love how it combines comfort and convenience with its lane keeping assist, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, brake assist, auto climate control, keyless entry, front bucket seats, steering wheel audio controls, engine immobilizer, automatic headlights. Visit our dealership soon and start driving today.